And be crew, so we're gonna jump right in. So this is how your wig will come packaged. Yes, this is a wig. I know y'all saw the thumbnail. It comes with a pamphlet letting y'all know how to care for your unit. Comes with some extra clips, and it comes with a slip to let you know what you got. Now this is a closure wig. It does have tracks throughout, combs, and they also now have an elastic band attached. Okay, HerGivenHair, I see y'all. They stepping it up, and I love that. Look at this wig. This is straight out of the packaging. This wig is called the Fro of Glory, and I absolutely love it. Like, as y'all can see, I was feeling myself and I hadn't even did anything to the unit. It is so beautiful. This wig is gorgeous. Y'all see me? I mean, feeling myself. So I went ahead and I saturated the hair with water because of course you always want to co-wash your unit when you get it. And so I just saturated, and then I'm going to be adding some Suave clarifying conditioner. Now y'all always ask me what to use on the hair. This is the best conditioner to use on your curly units. Now this texture is coily. It is in 10 inches. Pattern, it does mimic 3C and 4A textures. And the unit is really easy to co-wash. I didn't have any problems washing it. And then once I get done rinsing all the conditioner out, I'm just using my fingers. I didn't use any combs or anything. I'm just wringing it dry, and this is what it looked like wet. As y'all can see, I feel like I look like Zero from the movie Hose, but I actually like it like this. Like, I definitely will be wearing it like this. It is super cute, as you guys see, and the closure matches the bundles. They have improved that, so I'm so happy about that. As you guys can see, it looks really good all the way throughout. This is about how much shedding I got. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle the hair, and I am using that Taliah Waajid apple gel, and I'm only using like a dime size amount on each strand, and I decided to do some chunky twists. Like I said, this unit does shed. You will get a little bit of shedding, but it's nothing major or anything. And some of the shedding comes from the actual haircut, because you guys know these units are cut. They are made to order basically. So yeah, they go ahead and they cut it, so you might get a few loose hairs from the actual haircut that they did on the unit. But anyways, I'm just detangling the section, and then I'm literally just adding a little bit of product and then twisting it on down. So yeah, you can do twist outs on this unit. You can do braid outs, bantu knots, whatever you would like. But I just wanted to do a twist out because I wanted it to be elongated. I wanted to see what it would look like. I want to show you guys what I do. So what I basically do is I braid all the track hair up and I part the closure away, as you guys can see. And then what you want to do, so that the closure does not have like a gap between it, you want to go back around and part through the closure all the way around. And you want those twists going down so that it covers between the track and the closure, if you know what I'm saying. That way it won't show. So that's just a tip with closure wigs. So that's what I went ahead and did. And in some places I did have to spray some water because the wig was starting to dry up, obviously, because it took me about, I would say, 30 minutes to twist up this whole unit. Basically like how you would do twists on your natural hair. The unit looked like when I got done twisting it. The twists are really juicy, which I like, and they curled on the ends, so that's a good sign. So the hair is good all the way through to the ends, and it's curly from root to tip. So this is the next day. I just let the hair dry overnight, and now I'm just unraveling the twist like you normally would do with your real hair, but you do not want to add any oil, okay, because this is still, you know, extension hair. This is not your real natural hair, and you do not want to use a cream based styler. You just only want to use a gel styler, okay, because your hair, the hair will be way down and greasy and oily, and you don't want it to look like that, okay. So please do not use any oil on these units, because yeah, it's just gonna weigh it down. So I just put the unit on my head. It's a really easy install, y'all. You literally just put the wig on because it's a closure wig, and I'm just fluffing it out with my hands and just kind of trimming it up in places that I wanted to fit around my face with the bang. And then I did go in with my pick a little bit and pick it up in the front, which this unit is so easy to style, y'all. Like, it is super easy to do. I just wanted to show y'all up close, like, look how realistic this unit looks. Like, it's crazy. It's almost scary how realistic it looks. I just love it all the way through it, especially with the cut and the shape that they chose to do. This is by far my favorite unit from HerGivenHair, and I've tried a lot of their units, but y'all, this is it. She is it, okay? The shape, the style, everything. So I decided to tilt her to the side and do like a side part. But like I was saying, she is it. Like, I feel like this is the most realistic unit that they have, in my opinion. Like, I'm impressed. And I like a lot of their units, but she is it. She's the one, okay? Super cute. I also wanted to show you guys how versatile this unit is. So even though this is a closure wig, you definitely can still do a half up, half down. And I'm just parting out some hair in the front a little bit to create some baby hairs. Now, I didn't glue this unit down or anything. You don't have to. Like, it's so easy to apply. So I just did a little bun, and now I'm just swooping around my baby hairs really quickly. Nothing major, y'all. It don't got to be perfect. And that's the thing I like about this unit. It looks so realistic that it looks like your natural hair. Like, it's insane. So this is just what it looks like, you know, fluffed out a little bit more with not a lot of, like, you know, texture to it. And I love it. Like, it looks so good. It's flawless. They did an amazing job on this cut. So I went ahead and took the bun out, and I'm literally just fluffing out the hair with my fingers. I wanted to see what it would look like really big because I love big hair. This hair is my hair goal. Like, I usually don't have hair goals, but since y'all know I'm growing out my hair, this is what I would like my natural hair to look like when I do fully grow it out. It's popping. Like, this is just so beautiful. This is my new favorite wig, my new go-to wig. I love it. So make sure you guys check out HerGivenHair. Everything about them is in the description box below, as well as this unit that I am rocking. It is absolutely gorgeous. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.